In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to all on Zoom. This simple yet crucial skill can enhance your online meetings by ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Whether you're leading a virtual conference, teaching an online class, or just catching up with family and friends, mastering the chat feature will help you communicate more effectively. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to log into your Zoom account and join a meeting. If you're hosting the meeting, simply start it as you normally would, but if you're a participant, click on the meeting link or enter the meeting ID and passcode to join. Once you're in the meeting, familiarize yourself with the interface. Notice the tools available at the bottom of your Zoom window. These tools are essential for managing your virtual interactions. Now, direct your attention to the bottom bar of the Zoom window and find the chat icon. This is typically situated alongside other vital controls like mute, video, and participants. Clicking this chat icon will open the chat panel, which usually appears to the right side of your Zoom window. You'll see the conversation space where you and other meeting participants can communicate via text messages. In the chat panel, pay close attention to the drop-down menu. This is crucial because it determines who can see your message. Click the drop-down arrow and you'll see several options. To send a message to everyone in the meeting, make sure to select the Everyone option. This ensures that all participants will be able to see your message simultaneously, which is particularly useful for making announcements or sharing crucial information that everyone needs access to. Once you've set the To field to Everyone, it's time to craft your message. Click into the text box at the bottom of the chat panel where you can type your message. This is your space to communicate with all the participants, so make sure you're clear and concise in what you want to convey. Whether you're sharing a link, giving instructions, or making a general announcement, ensure that your message is easily understood. After you've typed your message and are satisfied with it, simply press Enter on your keyboard. Your message will instantly be sent to all participants in the meeting. You'll see it appear in the chat panel, confirming that everyone has received it. This feature is incredibly useful in keeping the communication flow seamless during your Zoom meetings, and it's especially handy when verbal communication isn't ideal or possible. And there you have it. Sending a message to all participants in a Zoom meeting is really that simple. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your virtual interactions and ensure clear, effective communication in any Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming.